Hi, I'm Shannon Tupes, an Andis Educator. Today I'll be discussing proper handling techniques while grooming dogs, so let's get started. Ergonomics are important for the groomer. Use your core muscles to help lift and bend at the knees to avoid strain to your body. Stay calm and pleasant as the dog will react to your body language. Always take your time and do not rush. Never use a heavy hand, always use a gentle touch. Always maneuver the dog in a natural position while handling and grooming, like I show here clipping the pads of the dog. Never pull the legs out to the side or too high. This can cause balance issues as well as pain for some dogs. Use extra caution when grooming elderly dogs, dogs with bad joints, or an injury to a leg. If possible, have an extra set of hands available or use a harness to help them stand. When lifting dogs for clipping their underline or sanitary area, hold both paws like shown and lift from the front. Make sure the surface is not slippery and the dog is stable. Using a grooming mat or a yoga mat is recommended for slippery surfaces. If the dog does not do well on this position, you can get to these areas by lifting each leg out of the way while the dog is on all fours. Know the signs of a stressed or aggressive dog. Some classic signs are ears pinned back, snarling, stiff body posture, yawning, or licking lips. Always use positive reinforcement to gain the dog's trust. Thanks for joining us. To learn more, check out more videos across andis.com.